Hi, we're now in Innsbruck. Our adventure continues. We're in the middle of the town square, and there's the most famous Innsbruck site, the Golden Roof.
Innsbruck, known as the adventure capital of Austria, is one of the most prettiest alpine cities we've ever visited, surrounded by snow-capped mountains and with a lovely old city centre. The food market in Innsbruck is well worth a visit and a great place to pick up supplies for a mountain picnic. How gorgeous are these homes on the river? They're so lovely. Taking a wander through the old city at night is very safe and is also quite interesting as many of the old buildings are wonderfully illuminated. We had an amazing day exploring up into the mountains on the Nordkette cable car. This day was a highlight of our entire trip and we highly recommend it.
We're here at the Alpine Zoo in Innsbruck.
Now, what's it like? You seen any bears?
So many bears. Look at all the bears as well. Oh my god.
We're here in Innsbruck. Today we're taking the funicular and a cable car right to the top of the mountain. Halfway we've stopped to go to the Alpine Zoo. It was unbelievable. We got really close to some bears and we saw some deers, but much more later. But check out this beautiful view of, not Istanbul, Innsbruck. Where are we?
We're on top of the mountain.
And it's snowing.
Let me just say it was so cold up here, and as typical Australians, we were not used to seeing snow.
We're on top of the mountain, in the mountain hut here, all out of wood. Wiener Schnitzel, followed by Apfelstrudel. Nothing is nicer than to come out of the mountain in Innsbruck. Just one sec, I'll be back. Hello!
So beautiful, like a living postcard. And honestly, getting lost in the old streets of Innsbruck was a wonderful experience and we thoroughly enjoyed our time here. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, now might be a great time to hit the like and subscribe button, as there's much more to come. See you next time.